Science and physics are, well, in my opinion, very interesting topics. And learning about them can make you gasp at how the world really works. The following substances might amaze you at what they can do. Just letting you know that I got all of these from crack.com. I thought they were interesting and I wanted to share them with you. But without further ado, let's look at the top 13 substances that defy the laws of physics. Sulfur hexafluoride. If you've ever inhaled helium, you know it makes your voice high-pitched and chipmunk-like. That is because helium is 6 times lighter than air, enhancing the higher parts of your voice. Sulfur hexafluoride, however, is 6 times heavier than air, which results in the opposite effect.
Okay, and as you can tell, my voice gets really low.
Since sulfur hexafluoride is heavier than air, you can have some fun with it, like making things float. Nitrogen triiodide. Nitrogen triiodide is a very unstable dust-like material. It is extremely sensitive to contact. Even touching it with a feather will make it explode. Aerogel. Aerogel is pretty much frozen smoke that can hold huge amounts of weight, up to 4,000 times its own weight. Oh, and it's also fireproof. Gallium. Gallium is a silvery, glass-like soft metal that melts very easily at room temperature, so it isn't useful for much. Strangely enough, it has a weird reaction when it comes in contact with aluminum, turning a Coca-Cola can into soft tissue paper. Hot ice. Otherwise known as sodium acetate, hot ice is a liquid that will instantly turn solid. Just touching it will solidify the whole thing in a matter of seconds. Graphene. Graphene is an atom-thick carbon material, able to transmit electrons and conduct electricity much faster than silicon. We're talking about charging iPhones within 5 seconds connectivity. Terminator polymer. This polymer can heal itself from any damage with 97% efficiency. Hydrophobic surfaces. This substance actually repels water away from itself. If you were to slather some of this stuff onto your arm and dip it in water, you would remain completely dry. Carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes are as thick as human hair, but they are strong as shit. Oh, and they also can power light bulbs. Perfluorocarbons. Perfluorocarbons is a liquid that contains a shitload of oxygen, making it possible to breathe in. This is literally breathable water, but it's very toxic. Ferrofluids. Ferrofluids are a liquid that reacts to magnetic fields in rather interesting ways. The magnetic fields allow the iron inside to align and attract towards it. Nitinol. No matter how bad you bend, twist, or distort this metal, by simply applying something hot like hot water onto it, it will remember its original form. Metal with memory. Non-Newtonian liquid. This liquid will turn solid when enough stress is applied, like stepping on it for example. However, if no stress is applied, like simply standing on the liquid, you will sink.